All right, real quick. This is a 2019 Jetta SE, and I installed a little dash cam. Now this works for any dash cam, but this is a little cheap little on dash cam from Walmart. We're gonna give it a go, and I think it'll work. It's just a cheap little dash cam, something to have, like 20 bucks. But I'll show you how I wired it. Of course, you're gonna need power, and I went with a fuse tap. But check out this fuse tap. This is what I did. Instead of replacing one of these fuses, notice just one fuse. See these little gold pins right there? Well, they have power to them. And what's cool is you don't have to take out those. You can just use a blank and put a fuse in it like that. Make sure you use the top fuse, and make sure you put it this way, because if you flip it the other direction, it won't work. But just to know, this thing will work, and you don't have to risk, reversing the current and going through both of the fuse or whatever. Okay, I was trying to make this quick. So this 3-amp fuse, I think this is all I'll need. Goes over here, and it goes to my, yes, I electrical taped it, deal with it. I didn't want it rattling out, but as you can see, I just tied it into a little, what do you call that? Cigarette lighter thing. Or whatever they call it, 12-volt power. And then I got that and ran it right up there. So that's all you need. And also, pro tip to get this thing out, this little board right here, this thing hinges up at top, and you pull hard at the bottom and it'll go pop pop. And I'm sure that once it gets old, it's gonna break, because I don't know why they use this plastic. It's flexible now, but eventually, yeah, I think those things are really tight. I might split those just a little bit to make it a little bit easier. But and then this, the side panel here just clips in. I used to pry it to, what do you call that? Oh, nothing tool here. I broke it. But slip it up under there and get close and pop, pop, pop. Yeah. So hopefully this helps if you're trying to wire in a dash cam to a 2019 Jetta SE. The reason I use these is because this is switched power. It switches with the what do you call that thing? The ignition. And there you go. Use that rail. Connect a little cigarette lighter thing, because most dash cams uses a cigarette lighter deal. And then go up to your dash cam. And if you're clever, you can run it all the way up here. That's where it is in my GTI over there. But for right now, there you go. Have fun.